When you have severe cough and cold, this is the best kashaya which I prepare at home. So all you need is the pepper powder, few leaves of tulsi, turmeric, and this is the jaggery. So how to prepare it? Just take 1 glass of water, add 1 small spoon of pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of haldi powder or turmeric powder, then add few leaves of tulsi and add jaggery as per your taste. Then boil it. Boil it in an open vessel. Don't close the lid till it reduces to 1/4 glass. Filter it and then you can add a little bit of milk. Just mix it and have this decoction, kashaya. It's very good for cold and cough.